everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy. This is a craft channel in which I show cross stitching, a little bit of sewing, a little bit of crochet, diamond painting, mostly cross stitch and diamond painting. And this video is a little bit different because this is a video, it's my first sponsored video, so that's super exciting. I wasn't intending to do this as a separate video. I was gonna kind of just throw it in with the whip and chat, and then I just didn't get a chance to film my whip and chat because I went to my dad's house for Father's Day and he lives about 2 hours away. So here it is, a shorter video, and it's a little dimmer in here than it normally is when I film because of what's inside here, and I figured this is probably gonna be good light for it anyway. So let me open this a little bit more. See if that helps a little bit. Probably was better the first time, but it is what it is. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. So I was contacted from this company that sold these on Amazon and was asked if I would like to receive one and do a review on it. And possibly post my thoughts and opinions about it, not only on YouTube but on Amazon as well. So I said sure, for a lot of reasons, because they have 5 stars on Amazon, and also my dogs are barking because I don't have one. So that was a big deal to me that I didn't already have the product. So I thought this is a great chance to actually get something that I don't have and could use, and I had an opportunity to get it for free. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it and see what it is. So we're gonna take it out of the package. I'll tell you guys what it is. I'm gonna put the name of the company here because I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it. It's either Elice or Elice, not 100% sure, but they had super great communication as far as, you know, my transaction with them was concerned. So let's get to it. Okay, my husband opened it, which is why it was already open, because he wanted to know what the hell I ordered this time. Okay, so as you guys can tell, it is an A4 LED light pad. So I was concerned about the size, how big it was going to be, and I'm actually really happy with the size. It comes in this nice box. What is my cat doing? Getting into the packaging already. It comes in a nice packaging. We're gonna open it and see what we have in here. Okay, so, oh, it's a pencil. I like that. And then, oh, these are some drawing pages, because the listing, I'm gonna post a screenshot of the listing right here. It says like drawing sketch pad for sketching and diamond painting or something to that effect, because you can use a light pad for many things. So that's what these are. So my kids might like these. Let's just open them because this is a product review, right? If I can get them open. Okay, get rid of that packaging. So we have a dolphin. I think that's the dolphin that's on the cover. Yeah. A dog. Some flies. That's cute. That's a good way to learn how to draw. Some flowers. Oh, these are pretty. Some other types of like roots and flower. They probably go together. Oh, little owls. These look like the ones from Autumn Lane Stitchery. A hawk, looks like, and another puppy. So these are gonna be cute for my kids. I won't use them per se because I'll probably only use this for diamond painting. And then this is a pack of plain white paper. So this is good. I actually was not aware that it was going to come with all of this stuff, mostly because I didn't particularly read the specs on what it was going to come with. I just took the advantage of the opportunity that I was given and figured I'd be surprised to see what it all came with, how it arrived, the packaging, everything. So it did come in a bubble envelope because I didn't really show that. Oh, this is looks like a cleaning cloth. So this is a good deal so far. Okay, guys, I paid $19.99 for this. Okay, so already this is a good deal. You have a cleaning similar to like what you would get with your glasses, but this one seems to be more, it's a thicker material, more like suede. I really like it, and it's a good size too. Like, it's about the size of my whole hand, so that's good. Comes in a little thing here, like that so far. Then we have, let's see, pencil sharpener and eraser for the wooden pencil that it came with, right here. And some clips. Like it already. Loving it already, I should say. Looks like the charging thing. So you are going to need a box, a charging box. And it looks like the standard charging port, not the USB-C, but the ones that all the phones had before for non-iPhone people. So this says it's A4 size, so it comes with some corners here, corner protectors. So I wasn't sure what it was going to entail as far as the light pad is concerned. So it doesn't seem like it has a base or anything on it. And likely, actually, you can probably still sit with this in your lap. So what is this? This is a QC Quality Control Pass thing. We've got to celebrate the 5th anniversary of our company. Please contact our support team to get the gift below for free. Quantities are limited. So, fluorescent drawing board. Only one gift can be claimed per user. Interesting. Thank you for your purchase. That's interesting. So this is the company right here. That. I had a really hard time finding it, so I will leave the actual link below because I couldn't find anything with the company name on there. So I'll put the direct link. What is this? Copy board instructions. So it tells you the size. Micro USB. That's what these are called. The charging cord. Can be used for a variety of crafts, is what it says. And that's about it. So this is what it looks like. It looks like the standard A4 size. It's a 9 by 11.5 is what the measurements on the side say. And it has a measuring thing. So that's pretty neat if you want a drawing board or a light pad that you can use for different crafts. Because of the ruler here, this is a great one for drawing too if you happen to draw. I don't. Let's try to turn it on, see if it's charged. It is not. So I'm going to get an extension cord here and a charging box and turn this on and see. Let me figure out where it plugs into first. Okay. Plugs in here on the side. I'm going to get a cord and plug this in, and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. So what I did instead was I forgot that I had these little sticks that I got at Walmart on clearance for like $1 and plugged it in, and it turned on right away. You can see the light here that shows that it's charging. This is a good thing to have too if you want to be completely portable with one of these, is to get one of these charging things. You charge this up and then you don't have to worry about cords or anything with this being in the way, because you can literally just take this with you. And this is still a good length. This is a really good length still. And it's still like 100% portable. Oh no, I think it died. Or I turned it off on accident. So there it is. So let's, oh, that's a touch pad. It's not even a real button. It just, boom, like that. That's 1 click, 2 clicks, 3 clicks, and off. So it's got 3 different settings. Let's get a diamond painting on this bad boy and see what we got. Okay, so I got my diamond painting out. I'm going to actually get out the little clips here. I feel like it wouldn't be a full review if I didn't use everything it came with. So this is an eraser and a pencil sharpener, which is really cool. I love this little touch because I'm always struggling to find pencil sharpeners. So I'm going to pick this up. Did it turn off again? I think my stick is dead, or it has issues. I'm going to put the clip on again, and put it here. Now what I want to know is if it holds a charge, is what I want to know. It says portable power source can be used. The sketch is finished on the power off. So it doesn't exactly say 100% if it holds a charge, but it's so small and thin. I'm not even sure if it would hold it. I mean, not that that says anything, but this paper doesn't say that it's gonna hold a charge. It says connect the power supply and then turn it on and adjust to the brightness you want. So I'm assuming that it doesn't hold a charge. My thing turned off? Yeah, it doesn't. So you do need a connected supply for this to work. So there it is, you guys. Let's zoom in. Oh yeah. Now on this Gloria West painting, if I don't have sufficient light, don't mind the placement of my drills. I know they're crooked. Sometimes I can't see these two dark symbols here, just because they're a dark drill and it's like dark ink printed on dark background. And with the light pad, I can see that perfectly. Like there's no issues right here. I can see it perfectly. Don't mind the cat hair or dog hair. It's something hair. So you can see here, my drills are even a little crooked here in this area. Right here, where they're not directly on the spot, but that's okay. Oops, these ones moved. I don't know what I did there. Those need to be put back. There we go. Maybe not. Okay. I like it, you guys. What do you think? You can see everything perfect on this. I'm pretty pleased with it. Honestly, if you have one of these or you can get some of these portable power sources, these are amazing to use this for, because then I don't have to be plugged in. You guys, I got this on clearance at Walmart for $1, so I'm pretty sure you can find these anywhere. I don't know. The dots here tell you the charge, so I don't know why it keeps turning off on me, but it is what it is. Maybe because I'm not actually, because this doesn't charge, it's not pulling any juice, so that's probably exactly why. So there it is, you guys. I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm happy with it. You could even take this to the couch with you, sit on the couch and do it. You know, for those of you who diamond paint all the time, I do other crafts, so I'm not comfortable diamond painting on the couch, but this totally works. You can put this on your what are those things called? Drafting desks. That would work too. Super portable. That if I were to decide to go to my mom's and take a diamond painting with me, my mom has horrible light, so I could take this and I'd be able to diamond paint over there. That's why I never diamond paint at her house, because she has horrible lighting. Horrible lighting. They live in a brick house. There's no windows. It's just, it is what it is. So, I have to say, I'm thoroughly pleased with it. You need to check out the description box below for the direct link to this product. But for $19.99, you guys, on Amazon Prime, I got mine on Prime. I'm not 100% sure if it's always on Prime, but I got mine on Prime. And I think I ordered it like a Wednesday night or Thursday, and today's Monday and it got here today. So, you know, the weekend's kind of iffy. It always takes longer to get stuff on the weekend, but if you ordered it on a Monday, you'd have it before Friday. So this video is longer than I thought I would ramble on about this, but I'm thoroughly surprised and pleased with it. I like it. And you might just see it in my next whip and chat. So that being said, thank you guys for watching. Link is in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video.